Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you purchase a basic travel insurance policy that includes trip cancellation coverage, you can expect to pay between 5% and 10% of your trip cost. For instance, if you buy a 10,000 9-day trip to the Greek Isles, you can expect to pay between $500 and $1,000. Keep in mind, collecting a policy with cancel for any reason coverage can cost an additional 40% to 60% more than a standard policy. It is according to Insure My Trip. So there are several other factors that can influence the cost of the policy. First, the age of the travelers. Typically, the older you are, the higher the policy cost will be. Older travelers are seen as riskier because they often have more health problems and are more likely to make a claim. Trip expenses. A policy's price is based on your non-refundable of prepared travel expenses. Therefore, it is important to calculate all of the costs you will incur before your departure when searching for a policy. This can include airfare, hotel, and exclusion deposits. Then the number of the travelers. The more people you insure, the higher your premium will be. Then plan selection. Basic policies with fewer coverage options will cover less. For example, basic plans tend to have lower medical emergency and trip cancellation limits. That said, it is important to select only benefits you need so you are not paying for a coverage option that you won't use. Then trip length. The length of the trip will make a difference in the cost of a policy. If you are paid a lot of money toward non-refundable trip expenses, it is worth taking a look at trip cancellation insurance. Trip cancellation insurance is designed for travelers who are concerned about safeguarding the money spent on a trip based on unforeseen events such as a natural disaster, an uncertain employment situation, or a health condition. I recommend travel insurance to everyone because it is designed to protect travelers from things they do not expect to happen leading up to a trip, says Cassandra Brooklyn, founder of Escaping New York, an international tour operator specializing in small group tours. Keep in mind, trip cancellation insurance only pays for problems listed in the policy. It won't cover changing your mind or foreseeable events, such as a pandemic that was already known. If you purchase basic trip cancellation policy, you might not have other types of travel insurance coverage, like emergency medical coverage or lost damaged bag benefits. You may be able to add these types of your coverage depending on the travel insurance company. But if you are on a tight budget, buying trip cancellation insurance can give you some peace of mind for unexpected events leading up to your departure. If a comprehensive plan isn't in the budget, buying a trip cancellation policy is better than not at all. It says by Brooklyn. If you want to look at travel cancellation insurance options, here are some starting points. First, Allianz One Trip Cancellation Plus Plan. Then there is April Travel Protection Trip Cancellation Plan. When shopping for a trip cancellation policy, it is smart to get quotes from multiple travel insurance companies. This way you can select a plan that is cost effective yet provides the most value. If you do purchase trip cancellation insurance and you want to change your mind shortly after, you may be able to get your money back. Many travel insurance companies offer a relook period, meaning you can cancel the policy within a certain time frame and get a full refund. The time frame will depend on the travel insurance company, but we have found policies that give a 10-day free look and others to allow up to 21 days. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.